you're talking about 24,000 litres of water is thrown over the car. The monsoon test is our most aggressive test. It's 4,000 millimetres per hour for 15 minutes. Our jet wash test is always evolving. The pressures that we use are always increasing. At the moment we're kind of up to near 150 bar. We target all the kind of seal gaps, the handles, any kind of weak area within the car that could have the risk of water coming through will be highlighted at that point. Quality is very important to us. All our vehicles must meet a standard, a global standard that we all have to follow to ensure that the customer gets a good product at the end of the day. Water ingress is something that the customer will see, will be affected by. All the tests we do is to ensure that no water comes into the cabin at any point.